Hi and welcome to this amazing course. We are Maxim and Oliver Lehrman, founders, researchers and instructors at Engaging Heroes. We both graduated as business economists at a top-tier Belgian university. We helped entrepreneurs write their business plan and product strategy and raised more than $1 million funding. And as a business economist, we are continuously looking for ways to increase business value. But how can we increase business value? You can achieve this in multiple ways, either by increasing your revenue or by decreasing your costs. But as products and services are built for people, we realize that understanding people's behavior and motivation is extremely important for improving business value. Think about the following questions we ask all the time. Why would anyone buy my product? Why would anyone keep using my product? Why would anyone engage in the actions that increase product and business value, such as giving reviews, participate in the community, or share my product with friends? What I am looking for is their motivation to perform the action I want them to perform. Or in other words, we are trying to solve the motivation problem. And so understanding how motivation works is extremely important for creating value. And this is exactly what you will learn in this course. You will see everything you need to know about motivation as a business professional. You'll see from behavior loops to the SIMPSIS-framework and all the motivation theories you must have heard of. Follow this course and belong to the future heroes in engagement that defeat their competition by mastering the human psychological drives.